Hi, so today I'm going to show you everything that comes in our kit to make our garland of witches hats, which is this decoration that you can see here, to make a garland to hang up for Halloween. So the kit contains everything you need to make the 5 individual hats, the cord to thread them up on, and that overall creates a decoration that's about 1.5 meters long. It comes in a box that looks like this, so it's a nice slim one that will go straight through your letterbox if you're not at home when it arrives. And then when you open it up, it looks like this on the inside. And you've got your instructions and templates on top there, and then you can see all the bits that come in the box. And I'm just going to show you what each of those are now. So first of all, you have got your instructions. This is a printed booklet. It's got lots of diagrams in there to help you with the stitches and some photographs. If you get stuck on any of the stitches that are in the kits, there are little videos on our website to help you, and you've got your templates as well. So this box comes with 5 DMC threads. So 3 of these are standard stranded cotton, which are these 3 colours here. And then the other 2 are DMC Etoile threads. So if you've not worked with these before, these are cotton threads that have got some silver sparkle in there as well. So they're really nice to work with because they're like cotton threads, so they're still easy to sew. But the sparkle just adds a nice touch, particularly for something like this for Halloween. You've got your standard kind of ancillary items, you've got pins and needles, you've got a few card bobbins so that you can wind those threads onto so they don't get tangled, and you've got a piece of bead mat, so you put your beads on that when you're sewing and it stops them from rolling around. And so let me show you what you've got as your packs of beads. So you've got 5 different packs in this kit. I'm actually going to show them to you on the hats because otherwise they do roll around. So you've got these size 6 silver metallic beads. So these are really nice. They remind me a little bit of the silver cake decorations. And then you've also got a pack of star sequins. So 2 sizes of stars. You've got the big silver ones and you've got the smaller purple ones. You've got, also on here, you've got some of these smaller silver beads. So these are size 10 seed beads, and you can use those to anchor your sequins. But you could also dot them between the stars on this hat if you wanted. And then you've also got some of the size 6 purple beads that you use to sew around the brim of this hat. These are so nice. You can see there's like a rainbow of colours on them as well. So these are really lovely. And then you've also got this mysterious envelope called Charms and Ribbons. And so these are the extra bits that we've been able to put in this box. You've got a couple of these skull beads. I just love these so much. They look so cool. So you can see there, like, really good skull shapes. You've got your silver spider charm. So that's stitched onto the brim of the black hat with the cobwebs. So you should be able to see that there. And then you've also got a ribbon and a buckle, which is what you use to create the grey hat. So you can see that's the ribbon and the buckle, and then your skull beads actually go on tassels on the top of this hat. So you can see that all come together quite nicely. And then at the bottom, before I go on to what's at the bottom, you've got your purple cord. So this is an imitation suede. It's really lovely quality to string your hats up. And then at the bottom, you've got your felt pieces to create the hats themselves. So you've got 5 different pieces of felt in the 5 different colours of each hat. And these are a wool felt blend. So they're really soft, really lovely to work with and really good quality. And so that creates the main part of your hats. And so that is everything that goes into our Halloween kit for this year, which has got 5 mini hats. Each hat is about 12 centimetres or about 5 inches tall. And it's just such a lovely kit to do. Go and have lots of fun.